To set up the hotspot on the Redmi A5, first of all, you will need to open a settings on your smartphone device. Next step is to move down to the network and internet and then select hotspot and tethering. Right here, you'll be able to activate your Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can do it with the switch like this. Also, I recommend to just click on it like that, which will show you all of the settings that you can customize for your hotspot. So you can change the name of your hotspot right here. Switch the security protocol, which will add or remove the password based on what you pick right here. So we can go for none if you don't want any password on your hotspot, or you can choose one of the options above, WPA protocol, to set up that password. Next, if you have that protocol added, then you can set a password or just see your password right here. Then we can turn off our hotspot automatically when there's no devices connected after some time, and we can adjust our speed and compatibility. You can switch between 2.4G network or 5G network. 2.4G network will basically make your internet hotspot slower, but at the same time it will increase the range quite a bit for that network, and 5G will increase that speed by but the range might be a bit smaller. And also there's compatibility. Some devices won't be compatible with 5G networks and vice versa. Or actually most of the devices are compatible with 2.4, so if you're just worrying about that, then you can go for 2.4. We can also go to the more hotspot settings and activate hidden SSID to hide our hotspot. We can go for the whitelist mode, which first you will need to actually get the other devices to be connected to your hotspot. Then if the whitelist is activated, you'll be able to pick which devices can stay on that network. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.